as we gather round the Christmas tree, full of gifts and lights. We kiss and hug, we warm and snug. What a lovely sight! But in all the celebration, we forgotten why He came, so that we can live abundantly without guilt or shame. I am oh so glad that He was born on that special night. I thank you, Lord, for your unfailing love. You were born to die. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in the season, we lose sight of the reason. With all our silver bells and mistletoe, the Father wants you to know that He has sent His Son from heaven's throne into a manger bed, and they nailed His hands and feet to the cross when it should have been me instead. I am oh so glad that He was born on that special night. Whoa, oh yeah. Lord, I thank you for all that you've done. Yeah, because of love, you gave your life just for me. You gave your life. Oh, you are born to die. You're the reason for the season. True meaning of Christmas, yeah. Born to die. Thank you, Lord, for your unfailing love. You were born to die. Ah, oh, oh. You were born to die.